Morning guys, happy Sunday. I hope you all had a cracking weekend so far. We're going to kick-start the video off with a nice stroll along the beach. We're going to go from East Runton into Cromer, so come along. There's loads of surfers out. Waves aren't actually too bad today. Always a nice way to start the day, walk along the beach. It's about a 2-mile loop we're going to do. They are predicting a lot of rain, but they said that yesterday and it was actually quite a nice day, so hopefully we'll be lucky. Whoop, you had to bail out of that. See more and more paddle boards now. Way! Look at this fella. I bet that's a good laugh doing that. Well, I'll tell you what, even though they forecast rain, it's an absolute lovely day. It's not a bit cold. You can see the sun is trying to show its face. Well, we decided our game plan. We're going to get home, have a piece of cake and a cuppa, and then we're going to have a little look around Holt Garden Centre. So I'll see you back home. Time for a cup of tea and this lovely slice of cake we purchased. And no, it's not as good as yours, Lee. Right, try and get all the layers.
Try and get the gooey in first.
Right, well we're now going to head to Holt Garden Centre, so we'll see you there. Right, here we are. Let's have a little browse round. Something we ain't done before when we've been here is have a look round these sheds and little summer houses. God, some of these are really nice. Can't really see in room. That one's quite cool. That's pretty busy here today. I love these chimeneas. This one's cool, this Mexican one. If you've seen some of my other videos, I started collecting them like American style metal signs. They got a few here, but they're quite big. Larsie's seen a bench she likes. This is cool as well, this fire pit. Massive store this is, loads of different rooms. These are quite unusual, these little bird nesting things. Quite nice. Right, we'll end the video here because it's getting really busy, so I'll see you back home. Right, we're now back. It was a pleasant little ride out. I'll show you a couple of little items I bought. Bought some more preserves to try. I got this pineapple and ginger and beetroot and orange. Should be pretty tasty. Right, time for Tucker. Fancy some fish and chips. And voila. Well, that was absolutely delicious. We were lucky with the weather today again, no rain, so that was absolutely perfect. I'm going to end the vlog for today. We're not sure of the plan tomorrow, but if we do go somewhere, then I may put another video in, so stay tuned for that. Cheers guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!